always say what we mean? Or do we sometimes beat around the bush? Okay, well, oftentimes we don't say what we mean. So let's start out by just defining what the word mean or meaning is. It's having a sense or a significance of something, really grasping what is being said, right? Having a purpose, getting the purpose that's underlying or intended. What is that person trying to communicate? What is the meaning? Okay, what are they trying to convey to you? What are they trying to tell you? And is there a logical meaning to what they're saying? Okay, so sometimes we look for interpretations of things that just, we're grasping at straws. Look at what someone says, take them at their word. What are they specifically trying to convey?